it takes everybody working together in the household, in the home, and also in the community. Both are extremely important. So it is very important to have the parents, if they don't speak the language, to come with the children and learn with the children. As the children learn, the parents learn too. And then for them to go home and to use it. It has to be used on a daily basis in order to make it functional, to bring it to the functional level.
I like the kind of community-oriented aspect. Just that it's with other mothers and parents and other babies that are interested in Gaelic, I guess. I think I find that the most beneficial part of it, that it's a group.
Agus cacht vel an dink. Cacht vel an dink.
I find the baby likes the Gaelic. Maybe he likes hearing any sounds coming towards him, but I do find that he likes to hear the different sounds that it makes, and I think it does really stimulate him because he's getting kind of both sounds coming in.
Danish, meatdaken. Meatdaken. It's actually been proven that it helps their brain development in many ways to have that second language or third or fourth language. So it's definitely a benefit for them to start young. It's not going to hold them back intellectually in any way, shape or form. In fact, it's going to do the opposite. The younger they are, the better. When they grow up with it, it's second nature to them, it's part of them. And rather than trying to borrow it later on and bring it on and learn it later on, it's so important for them to start off very young, and it becomes second nature to them in every way.
Cacht vel an onjak. Shit onjak. Agus onjak ella.
I just like to hear it and like that the baby's hearing it. So opportunities like that are really great within the program, and we did have that, which was really nice.
But what I find with Gaelic, I find there's so much more to the language. It's not just a language, there's the culture behind it too, a very rich culture. It's a language that's full of idioms and sayings. You can say things in Gaelic indirectly without being direct about it by using a proverb.
Dora. Cacht vel dada. Cacht vel. Hagil dada in the dulak shop.
But the language has so much background and roots. It goes back so many years, thousands of years, and we've built up on that through the generations and passed it down through the generations. It's been an oral language primarily for many, many years, and that wealth of language is in there, and it's so important. I'm hoping that the opportunity will be there for the young Gaelic parents today who are raising their children with Gaelic. Those children will have the opportunity to go to a school where Gaelic is the main language for them, whether it's an immersion or an all Gaelic school or whatever.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Definitely. You have the Gaelic, but it's also in you.
Right.
The Gaelic I have, but it's in you also.